Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing fine, as each of us are going through a tough time right now. But all I can say is please stay at home and stay safe. Avoid social gatherings, help and support each other. A lot of people are saying that they are bored and they have nothing to do at home, but I say we have so many things to do at home, such as deep cleanings, we can do some workouts, take care of yourself and take care of your skin. Talking about the skin, in this video I will be showing you one of my favorite DIY masks for all skin types. For oily skin, dry skin, combination skin and acne prone skin. I tend to use this mask once or twice a week, but I haven't applied any mask since 3 weeks now. I started to get breakouts for some reason and leaving acne spots on my face, so I thought I should start using this mask again and share this mask with you guys too. Before we get into this video, I just wanted to let you know that you should cleanse and exfoliate your face before you apply any mask, otherwise you won't be able to get any result you're looking for. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start off with a white flower. It is great for oily skin, reduce blocked pores and pimples, also helps slowing down the aging process and gives you fair and bright skin. You can also use this as exfoliator. Just add a little bit of coconut oil in it and start exfoliating. I'm taking 2 teaspoons. Moving on to the clay. This clay has many benefits such as remove dead cells, blackheads and whiteheads, excellent for acne and best for all skin types. And I'm adding 2 teaspoons. Honey hydrates the skin, excellent for all skin types, brightens skin complexion, best for acne, and reduce wrinkles and fine lines. I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons. Now here it comes yogurt. Yogurt is one of my favorite ingredients. It is a great moisturizer, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, also reduce dark circles, excellent for acne, amazing for dry skin and sunburns. And I'm taking 2 teaspoons. Now I'm adding a little bit of turmeric. Turmeric helps reduce redness and rosacea, best for acne, helps to keep bacteria from spreading and makes your skin brighter. This oregano oil has many benefits such as treating fungal infections, healing wounds and fighting bacteria. And I'm only adding 5 drops. I'm also using vitamin C serum in this mask. This serum has 11% of hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. I actually love this serum. Best for anti-aging and dark circles, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and brighten skin complexion. And I'm only adding 5 to 6 drops. Last but not least, I'm adding apple cider vinegar. I also use this as a toner, that's why I put it in a spray bottle. Apple cider vinegar helps kill bacteria and yeast on the skin, best for acne, and you can also use this as a toner. And I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons. Now I'm going to mix all the ingredients together until you get a nice and smooth paste. Now here I got a nice and smooth paste. If you like a thin mask, you can add some more yogurt or a little bit of honey or whatever you like. But I like this much of consistency, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Now I'm going to put it in a small container. I got this from a dollar store. You can use any container you have. And I'm going to store it in the refrigerator and you're good to go for 2 to 3 weeks. And the remaining leftover, I will apply it on my face. Here I am applying the mask with my fingers. You can use any face mask brush if you like, but I'm more comfortable applying it with my fingers.
Always apply mask evenly and in an upward motion. Please don't forget your neck. To give a complete even look, neck is also very important. Now I'm going to leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. In the meanwhile, you can use your phone, do whatever you like. And yes, drink lots of water. Water keeps you hydrated and also good for your skin. Now my mask is fully dried. Good thing about this mask is that you can rub the mask off your face. To avoid any mess on the floor, I'm placing the towel on my lap and gently rubbing the mask off my face. I'm just showing you a demo, and rest I will do it in the bathroom sink and rinse my face off with a lukewarm water and then come back. Here I'm back. I'm closing off my facial treatment with an ice cube. Ice reduces large pores, gives you a fresh and brighter look. Also work well to treat pimples and reduce redness. A lot of people say that when you use ice directly onto your skin, but I have been using like this for quite a long time now, so I don't have any issues. But the only thing is that you have to keep moving it around your entire face, otherwise you will experience broken capillaries if you apply it for longer periods. If you like, you can put it in a cloth and massage it on your face. You can also use it in the morning and before you apply any makeup on to make your makeup last longer. Now gently pat your face dry with a clean towel. And apply any moisturizer you have. And that's it. As you can see, my forehead, nose, and cheeks are glowing. I'm not sure if you can see it clearly on the screen, but I can definitely tell the difference. This is day 1, and I will see you guys on my day 2. Hi everyone, it's me again on my day 2. Here is my close-up. As you can see, my skin is still glowing, my acne and spots got a bit lighter. I mostly get pimples around this area, and I promise you guys this mask works as a magic if you will continue using this. And here is the result, day 1 and day 2.
Yes, you can definitely see the difference if you apply this mask, but to achieve the best result, you have to continue using this mask for a minimum of 2 to 3 times. There is no such product in the market that will give you an instant result. You have to be very patient and continue using the product until you get the result you're looking for. It is not necessary that you have to apply this mask once or twice a week. You can apply it twice a month if you like. Everyone's skin is different and unique, and it depends on your skin type. So get to know your skin first and then take it from there. I would highly recommend this mask. Try it once and let me know in the comment section below if you like it or not. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please stay at home and stay safe. Bye.